Hey guys, good evening. Hope you're doing well. And I just wanted to reach out to you concerning this week's assignments. It's really interesting how it kind of plays out just in the course of human events, if you will. There's a lot of talk about the shooting down of UFOs or balloons or things that we're not quite sure what they are or what's going on. And it really talks about the aspect of technology, weapons, war, and in our current society. And so that's kind of where we're going this week. And we're going to do some, uh, two activities. And the first one's going to be watching a movie. You might be thinking, oh man, I used to love watching movies in class. It was a great class waster or whatever. But, this week we're going to do an analysis of a film. Now, it's an older film. However, it is really a good film. It deals with nuclear war and this thing called MAD, Mutually Assured Destruction. And what MAD basically was during the 50s and 60s Cold War between Russia and the United States was that nobody was going to really have nuclear war because if the Soviet Union launched nuclear missiles, they knew that America would launch nuclear missiles. And therefore, it was mutual assured destruction. Soviet Union was going to be destroyed because of America's war weapons, and the same thing for America. It would be destroyed because of the Soviet Union's weapons. So they basically did not fire weapons for that mad reason, and that pretty much is why the Cold War was a Cold War, not a hot war. Difference being cold, a lot of talk; hot being weapons used. But now, with all these countries developing nuclear weapons and people really unsure of if they'll push buttons or not push buttons to start a nuclear war, and with the latest going on with China and Russia and America and all of these things, it says a lot for us to kind of look back in this movie and how this policy worked or didn't work, but then also look at it in today's concept. So I hope you enjoy the movie. You can access it through this link here, and it's available in other formats as well. So you'll do that, and then you'll also have a discussion forum. So I hope that you enjoy this week's assignment and really look at it, not just in the form of how things were back in the 50s and 60s, but how this is even in today's society as well. I hope you have a great week. As always, reach out to me if you've got any questions, and go out and do something great for somebody. Take care.